Alright, start off by making a new user interface widget blueprint. I'm going to name mine height tracker, and then open that up. Get a canvas panel and a piece of text. I'm going to anchor mine to the top left and change the position. Then you can clear the text box here. Check is variable, and then you can change the name here if you want. Compile, save that, and go into the graph. Get rid of the construct, and then get your player character. Cast to your third person character. Right click and promote to a variable. Then you want to come down here and make a custom event. I'm going to name mine track height. Get your character. Get the capsule component. Then get the world location. Right click and split the pin. Get your text out. Drag and set text. Plug this in and then plug it into the Z. Then you can open this drop down here. Uncheck use grouping. Go down to the maximum fractional digits and put it to 0. Go up to your event tick and plug your track height event in. Compile and save that. Go into your character blueprint. Hold S and click to get a sequence and plug the other stuff back in. Then you want to drag and create a widget. And then get your player controller. Select your widget. And then drag and add to viewport. Compile and save that. And test it out. Now you'll see mine starts at 92, and I'll show you why. If I go here and I go to my player start, the location here is at 92. So if I put this down to 0 and then lower my floor down 92 more, and then I hit play, you'll see it's at 0. And then I can go up here and it'll just track my height. And if I jump down, it'll go down. Thanks for watching.